Hello students, welcome to Clarity Talks by AgriClarity. Some of the students are asking me that ma'am, what if I start now? Is it still possible to crack IBPS for this year? The answer is yes, 100%. See, if you are prepared for the mains, even if it is little bit, see, you guys have studied agriculture for so many years, right? Some of you might even have a master's degree in it. So you have already spent a significant amount of time in studying agriculture. So assuming that the only hurdle right now is prelims, right? So for prelims, I'm going to give you a plan which if you follow, you will be able to crack it. Okay, so if you are falling behind in your IBPS AFO preparation, you are not alone. Some of the most successful candidates started late, but they started right. One student began just 45 days before the exam. No fancy materials, just clarity. All you need is clarity. If you have that, you will be easily able to clear it. She focused on the most important topics, revised smartly, and practiced questions every single day. The result was that she got selected. Remember, this exam is not a race to finish everything, it's a game of focus, consistency, and mental clarity. So, if you have these three things focus, consistency, and mental clarity, you will be able to crack. So, don't worry about it. Now, since आपने इतना टाइम पढ़ाई नहीं किया है तो अभी आपको मेहनत भी बहुत सारी करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, आप में से कुछ बच्चों ने पहले भी प्रिपेयर किया होगा, है ना, पिछले साल भी अटेम्प्ट दिया होगा और इस साल आप लोगों को लगा कि अभी तो एग्ज़ाम आने में टाइम है क्योंकि पिछले नोटिफिकेशन के हिसाब से अभी टाइम था, लेकिन अब टाइम है नहीं क्योंकि उन लोगों ने एग्ज़ाम प्रीपोन करा दिए हैं. तो आपके पास ऑप्शन क्या बचता है? जस्ट गियर अप. ठीक है, अभी अपने हथियार मत डालिए, प्रिपेयर करते रहिए. तो मैंने आपके लिए बनाया है एक प्लान जिसमें आपको रोज़ 10 घंटा देने की ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, सो यू विल स्टार्ट योर डे with 3 hours of quantitative aptitude, okay, from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now if you are getting up early, you can start at 5 also, but since I wanted this plan to be very realistic and some of the students might not be able to get up, so you have to start at 7. Okay, this is your first slot. Okay, in first slot you're going to study for 3 hours, that is going to be quant. So pick up topics like arithmetic, DI, number series, simplification. Break each topics into small parts and solve questions daily. Okay, our next slot is going to be from 10 to 1 p.m. So you are going to give 3 hours to reasoning also. So you have to practice puzzles, syllogs, inequality, input output. See, this topic you can leave if you are not able to understand now. You can leave input output if you find it very difficult. कुछ लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि input output उनके लिए बहुत difficult रहता है, तो आप इसको छोड़ दीजिए. अभी मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था इससे पहले जहाँ पे मैंने आपको इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स बताए थे प्रीलिम्स में, रीजनिंग के, क्वांट्स के और इंग्लिश के. सबसे पहले आपको क्या क्या करने की ज़रूरत है जो आपको कट ऑफ क्लियर करने में मदद करेगी. सबसे पहले वो वीडियो जाकर देखिए और वहाँ से पता कीजिए कि कौन से टॉपिक सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको सबसे पहले ख़त्म कीजिए. ठीक है, फिर बीच में आपका 1 घंटा ब्रेक है तो आप इसमें खाना खा लीजिए, रेस्ट कर लीजिए. ये 7 बजे के पहले ही ब्रेकफास्ट करके आइएगा, ये नहीं कि इस टाइम पे उठ रहे हैं. ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट वी हैव 2 to 4 p.m. This is going to be your third slot. Okay, this was second and this is your third slot where you are going to study English. Okay, so in English you have to read 1 RC daily. Revise the grammar rules and improve your vocab. Focus on accuracy and comprehension, not just speed. So do close test, RC, grammar and vocab. Okay, and then you have the mock test. See, you can take half an hour break also. Here from 4:30 you can start. So from 4:30 to 5:30 you can go for a mock test. If you have enrolled with us for our 24/7 clarity mock test, then you are getting mock test every day, right? So here you will do a full length quant, reasoning and English mock test, and you have to analyze it, right? So depending on your preparation, sometimes you will give a sectional, sometimes you will give a full length test. Okay, then from 5:30 to 6:30 you can chill a bit. Okay, and then from 6:30 to 7:30 you can study a little bit of means. So give dedicatedly 1 hour to means, otherwise you will forget. And since you are a newbie, you haven't really revised agriculture, right? If you have subscribed to our 24/7 clarity mock test, then you have access to crisp notes. So from there you can choose one topic daily, like soil science, agronomy, horticulture, animal husbandry or plant protection, anything, and you can revise them for 1 hour, बिकॉज आप भूल जाओगे. ठीक है, ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत टाइम है, लेकिन फिर टाइम नहीं बचेगा और आप भूल जाओगे. सो इसलिए जस्ट every day give 1 hour to means. Okay, so now your day will end at 7:30. All right, and when your day has ended, now you can take your dinner and then you can call it a. So your day will end at 7:30. Okay, I just give you a 30-minute gap here between your mock test and agriculture. So this 7 will become 7:30 p.m. So now have your dinner, okay, and you're done for the day. Now go to sleep early so that you can wake up, because for you to be able to sit at 7 a.m. on your table, you have to get up a little bit early in the morning, right? So make sure you're sleeping early. After 7:30, if you want to do something for your entertainment, you can do it as well. But don't get engaged so much that you start watching a web series or something and then you end up sleeping at 12 or 1. Then that would be a very difficult situation. So for now, just leave everything, okay? And stay consistent, stay calm. Stop looking at what others are doing. Their day 100 might be your day 1, and that's okay. Instead of thinking I am behind, ask yourself, what can I do today that gets me closer? Even even if you have wasted weeks, you still have time to win, but only if you start now, not tomorrow. Take a deep breath, make a list, pick one topic, open that book and start studying, because you may be starting late, but you are not too late. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. And our initiative of IBPS AFO 24/7 test series by Clarity. In this test series, you will get daily subject-wise test, multi-level question, time-based QRE practice questions, weekly full-length test, and also detailed explanation. Along with that, you will get all the current affair related agricultural questions as well. Get yourself enrolled now.